doesn't look like I'm going anywhere just yet. I'll turn the kayak around, you can have a look at what I can see. Yeah, so it'll be pretty stupid to go out in that. The sun's out. I don't know if you can see that, but with a bit of luck that's going to burn this fog off and I'll be able to get out. Half an hour maybe? Another 20 minutes I think. I'm so looking forward to getting out today. I've had 2 weeks of the most annoying weather. Northerly winds non-stop, but this water is crystal clear, so it's absolutely fantastic. Get in. Just about to see the castle coming into view there. That's where I'm headed. Right. I've had a good look about. It's time to start catching some fish, right? This is one of my favourite places on earth to fish this. Every summer you'll find us up here. I normally walk up from Craster. Oh, that water is crystal clear, man. Absolutely beautiful down there. Oh, I'm in. Was it? Oh, someone took it there. Someone took it on the drop. Oh, I don't believe it. Oh. Someone took it mid-water there, and it went. It just. Oh, a free spool and it just took off. Dang. Wonder what that was. I can see it on the sounder. Oh, get up. First fish of the day. Doesn't feel very big, but at least we've got one on, eh? What have we got? The tiniest codling you ever did see. Oh, never mind, little dude. We'll get this hook out and we'll get you away. Just hold the horses, we'll get you off, my friend. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Good news is it can only get better. Get in. Oh, that's a bit better. Is it? Well, it's bigger than the last one. But that's not saying much, mind you. Another codling. Right, so not massive, but heading in the right direction. You just cool your jets, mate. We'll get you out of here. Tiny little fella, bigger than the last one. Lovely white edges to the fins there. Beautiful freshwater fish, these. Beautiful fish. Get in. Oh, that was a better fish and all. Oh no. Oh no. Oh man. That was just a bit slow on the uptake there. Like. Yes, got a decent fish on here. Oh. Maybe it came back for another go. Bit of drag on. Get this up. What have we got? This is a bit better, eh? What can I say? Codling. But a much better one. Get in. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Hey. Oi. Stay nice. Oh, you little bugger. sharp teeth on that bugger. There we are. I was going to say it's better. I mean, it's not massive, like, but a bit better. Right, need the pliers down the neck for this one. Can't actually see where it's in there. See that there now. Come on, you little bugger. Let's get this out. I don't want to be smashing my braid up, do I? Right, let's have a little look, see what's going on. See if we can see what's going on in there. Just come out that way. It's took it right the way down. I don't think it's going to make it, this one. We'll give it a go though. There we are. He's alright actually. Not too bad. Oh, plenty of life left in that. Stick this little fella back in there. See, mate. Swam away. That's good. Little shoal of fish down there. And he's in again. Yeah. Oh, there's loads of fish down there. I can see him, a big shoal. It's not very big, this one, but there's plenty of fish down there. There we go, another codling. Oh, sorry mate, I'm going to pass you off the side there. If you cool your jets, we'll get you back out. Another tiny dude. See you later. Let's get back down and have another look, eh? Loads of fish. Loads of fish on there. Oh, straight in again. Oh, missed it. Straight in and then missed it. Go back down, have another one of those, eh? Oh, missed it again. Stacks of fish. Oh, yeah, let's have another one. He's in. Get up. Get up. That's not too bad. It's great fun on this light gear. You can see the fish from miles away. That is another codling. Oh, hey. Hey, not small that dude. Not so small that fella. Get in. Right, if you bear with us, we'll get you back out. Get on. So they're getting a little bit bigger. Sizable head on it. Oh, get off me braid, you wally. There we are. Get you back in. So they're not big, but they're not tiny like that first one I got earlier on, which was horrific. See if we can get another one. Get in. Hey, can he? Get up there. What have we got? Knew there was fish down there, like. Another codling. Get up. Cool your jets, we'll get you out. We'll get you out, my friend. It's out. Look at this. I didn't want to show you that one. It was a bit shy. Let's have another one. Still stacks of fish down there. Getting a lot of hits that aren't turning into anything. in. Ooh. Let's get you up. Let's get you up. This water's so clear, man. I see them from miles away. These are a good stamp of codling. These, I'll happily catch these all day, I'll tell you that for now. Nice and still, my friend, and we shall get you back out if I can find the hook end. There you go. There you are. Proper beauty. Just had to check I was recording there. Couldn't remember if I'd pressed record on the camera, but I had, thankfully. It's a great stamp of fish. Well, it's alright. So many fish down there, like. In again. I told you there was a load of fish down there. Oh, this one's going. Maybe the fish of the day so far, this one, I think. We'll see when we get it up, eh? We'll see what happens when we get it up. Not that keen on coming up, like. Oh, he's coming up backwards. But it's not a bad fish. Now this one's been hanging around here for a little while. Look at that. What a beaut. Brilliant. Oh man. What a day. What a day out. Let's get this hook out. Just in that top lip there. So we can get it through. Have a quick look at him. And we'll drop him back in. Brilliant. Brilliant. Hey pal. You're a bunny lad, aren't you? Don't be fooled by the fulmar. If you get on their nerves, they hockle fishy terribleness all over you. That's the only way I can describe it. It absolutely stinks. If you went anywhere near one's nest, you'd know about it. But, you know, if you look at this chap, you'd think, but I wouldn't know, eh? I think I might reset this drift. Reset this drift. Come on. Let's have another one. Past that shoal, like there was a shoal of them. There's a little shelf there. Get in that one. Yes. Ooh, going for it, this dude, taking a bit of line. Get in. What have I got here then? It's exciting, isn't it? Exciting. Whoa, hey, that's not to be laughed at. Oh, hey, get in. Get up. Let's get this hook out, and we'll get you away, mate. Look at the size of this beastie. Fish, eh? What a beaut. See, mate? There's loads of them down there. I'm gonna hang around here. He's in. Hey! Ooh, we're down there. Again! Get up. Not as big as the last one, I don't think, but still another nice fish, eh? Codling. can. There we go. Little fella. See you later. In again. It's teeming with them. Codling. Back, dude. Oi, oi. Chill out, we'll get you out, man. Chill out, we'll get you away. Just in the lip there. Shouldn't be a problemo. Our little pal. Whoop. You didn't need to see him anyway. So, there's a seal just off to my left. I know how the seals work up here. They're muggers. You sit there and you watch me, and you wait until I catch a fish, and then you grab it, toes about for a bit, and I'll lose me lure. And that's what happens. I'm in now, and now I'm going to lose it because there's a bloody seal underneath us. Get this up, I can't mess about with this, like, because there's a seal. Just gonna have to get this up, otherwise you'll be in there. Get up. Beat you this time, Mr. Seal, didn't I? Only just. Right, we'll stay still, we'll get you off. I can't believe how many reasonable codling there are down there at the minute. Get that out. Nearly. There we go. Have a little look at this. Oh, it's shit all over us, never mind. See you later. Good luck with that seal, mate. What's this? He's picked up halfway up. Could this be his first mackerel of the year? Could it be? Quite possibly. Yeah, it is. Oh, it was. And now it's off. Oh, that was the first mackerel of the year for me. Picked it up and then I dropped it. Never mind. Not after mackerel anyway, so... Right, I'll go on the other side of me. Yeah, because I'm... Oh, picked something up on the way up. I wonder if that's a pollock. I wonder if that's a pollock, because I was going at a fair old rate of knots when that hit. Oh, that feels good. It's put up a good old account of itself. See what we've got here. See what we've got. Oh, I'd love it to be the first pollock of the day. It's a big Coley, that. I think it's a massive Coley by the looks of it. Jeez, it is. Look at the size of that. Holy moly. Goodness me. Hey, look at that for a coalfish. Crikey. What an absolute Bobby Dazzler. What an absolute Bobby Dazzler. I think I'm pleased with that, like, to say the least. Let's get you out of there. And then we're done. Wait, stay still. We'll get you away pretty soon, my friend. Have a look in here. Get that out. Look at that for a Coley, man. Eh? Hey? It's not too bad, is it? See you later. Goodness me. Monster. They stink like as well, Coleys. They properly stink. Let's have another one of them. In. Oh, missed it. Idiot. In again. Get up. Yes. Fab. It's been a while since I've had a fish. I don't want to fanny about too much, like, in case that sea is still on the prowl. Oh, this feels fairly decent. Or is it coming up backwards? Who knows? Oh, it is a nice one. Oh, I like the look of you, mate. Get up, sausage. Oh, look at that. 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 Lo good stamp of fish today after the last few trips out with all those sort of poundish fish are just under, and this is lovely to see. I mean, that's probably the smallest one I've caught for a while, and it's a bit of a beauty, isn't it? A pretty fish. Let's get you straight back. See you, mate. Time to catch another one. I might reset. Done it again, haven't you? What you got on here? Mackerel. Oh, what is it? It's a mackerel, this, like, I tell you that. Tell you that for now. Oh, the day. Oh, hey, it's not a small mackerel, either. Whoop, you bugger. Oh, wait a minute, I want you out. Right, now I'm going to cover myself in mackerel scales as well as cod shit. Oh, you have to take my word for it. You're going to have to take me... Oh, it's totally spannered that, like. Get in. Oh, damn. Literally thinking I haven't had a fish for ages. Oh, oh, missed it. Oh, you come back, have another go. Get in. Oh, it's got to be mackerel that, like. I can't get hold of them. Oh, missed another one. A little Coley's one of the two. Got this, whatever it is. I think it's a mackerel. I think that might be. Oh, there's a massive shoal down there. I'm gonna say they're all mackerel. Gonna say they're all mackerel. Of course, you haven't seen one yet. Oh no, it's a codling. It is a codling, so that's a big shoal of codling. Wow, I've been spoilt. Been a bit spoilt, haven't I? Oh, my own finger, isn't it? Want to do that? Oh, wait a minute, if you hold your horses, you've got particularly sharp teeth, you, for a codling. Particularly sharp teeth. Get the pliers out, I think, for this one. Oh no, we're off. Another little dude. Wow. There's stacks of fish down there, so I stopped halfway through my paddle back to start the drift, and I'm just going to drop this on them and see what happens. Straight in. Oh, in. I knew there was fish down there. Get up. I knew there was fish. Another little codling. Oh, it's not that little. Get on. I need to let a bit of line out there, like. Sorry, mate, messing you about. But got myself a bit confused. There you are. You're a nice darker colour. I think you've been hanging around here for a little while. There we go. There's plenty more of them down there, so let's see if we can get another one there. It's a fish, get in. It's been ages. Oh yes. Oh, it feels canny and all. Feels canny and all. Get up. Like that. A bit odd there. Oh, that's a nice cod. Oh yes. Nice codling there, mate. Oh, oh, oh. Hey, get it. 25 grammer. Seems to have done the job, doesn't it? Right, let's have a look at that. It's not bad, is it? A bit scabby actually. Not the best of nick, mate, so we'll put you back.